every Friday, I vacuum out my car, I clean up all of the crap, and I just get my car clean again. I'm gonna clean my car out, and I'm gonna decorate it for summer with some of my things that I've found recently on TikTok that are just like some awesome car finds that I found all on Amazon. Some of them I saw on TikTok, some of them I just found by just shopping on Amazon, you know what I mean? But first of all, let's get this car cleaned out. It's pretty gross. It's time. I mean, like, how do I accumulate this much trash on my own in a week? It's crazy. When it comes to just cleaning my car and like just getting dust and spots and like sticky stuff up, all I do is use my favorite microfiber cloths. These are from Amazon and damp. That's it. Like, I don't use any cleaners because I don't want any like sticky residue or like the shiny, slippery stuff. Because when my dad, he details my cars, he gets them so slick that I feel like if I step down with my shoes, my feet are gonna just like fly out of the car. You know what I mean? I can't stand that. So I'm not an Armor All girl. I am just like a damp microfiber cloth kind of girl. So let me show you. This is like, it works every time. Okay, so today McKinley was drinking chocolate milk and pulled the straw out and got chocolate milk everywhere. So I just like a little damp cloth here and that's it. And it gets it clean. I don't need any crazy scrubbing. I don't need to use anything special to get my leather clean. It just does a really, really good job and my leather doesn't get yuck. You know what I mean? See? Like new. Okay, I wiped my car out completely with my rag. And now I'm gonna try this cleaning gel. It's called Universal Dust Cleaning Gel. I found this on Amazon and it had amazing reviews. I've never used anything like this before, so I'm super pumped about it. Just to get down in like the cracks and the crevices of the places that like just gather dust and gross stuff. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try it, see how it works. I'm pumped. I am pumped. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let's try this out. I am really freaked out because to put my hand in there. Okay, let's see. So it is essentially slime. That is what it is. It is slime. What? That is so cool. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I rate the cleaning gel a 10 out of 10. It's got so much crap in there, but it really does work. It gets all the stuff out of the little cracks and crevices of the car. I really like it. Next are my cup holder rings. So these are just like little things you put in your cup holders, and so like you just take them out if there's a spill, and that way it's not like caked down in there, you know what I mean? So I love these. I feel like you get 2 of them for like $7-ish on Amazon. Here, let me show you how they fit. Okay, so there's my cup holders, right? And then these just go right down in there, and they come in different colors. I like the black. You don't have to get the bling. It's very girly if you don't want the bling, but it's just nice because it protects my cup holders from getting crusty and gross. You know what I'm talking about? Like if you spill something in there, it gets so crusty. This just pops right out. Look how easy this is. That's it. So simple. Such a good find. Okay, next I have this little cute trash can. It came in a 2-pack on Amazon. I love them because they fit in my car door so that I have a place to put my trash, and it just pops right up, and then I just take it and dump it and then close it back up. It's the size of a coffee cup, honestly. I freak out when there's trash in my car. It makes me want to just like absolutely flip out. So this is just really, really great to have to just keep control of all of the crud, you know? Another thing that I found on Amazon that's been just a game changer is this makeup mirror. It gets so bright. It's amazing. It's LED light. Oh, I love it. And it's got the little cord that you just plug it right into your cigarette lighter. It's so easy to use because I mean, like, you get this teeny tiny little mirror in your visor, and then it's got like the worst light ever. So now I can actually see what I'm doing when I stop somewhere to like touch up my lipstick, or for those of us who do our makeup in the car. Game changer. Something that made a big change for us was getting a new car seat for Ken because she just was growing out of the one that she was in, so we switched to this one. This is the Nuna. I'll link it. I have a blog post about all the different car seats that we've used, but this one has been fabulous, and she loves this feature right here, having the cup holders, and she has one on each side, so you can just put it down or pop it up. Another thing that I highly recommend if you have a toddler is a car carrier. This helps us organize everything that we need in one place for her. For instance, an extra pair of shoes, hair ties, sanitizers, wipes, anything that you need on the go for your kids. This is awesome, and you just can't recommend it enough. This was actually the first car accessory that I bought on Amazon. This is a little purse hook, and it goes around the bars right here in the back of your headrest. So I put it opposite of me, so behind my passenger side seat, so that I can hang my purse and easily get to it if I need to. It's just like such a no-brainer. It's like, why in the world did I wait so long to get one of these? So I just pop it back there, and then my purse hangs. It just got too high. I had to put my hair up. These summer nights, man. Okay, so I bought a 2-pack of these on Amazon, and I fully anticipated them fitting in my console, you know, the space between the 2 seats. Not so much for me. I can shove it in there and it does fine, and that's what I'm gonna do. Measure it. That's all I'm saying, just measure it to make sure it fits. I am gonna use it for right now and then put it in there with Ken's. This is her Wi-Fi, her hotspot, and then my phone charger is gonna go on top of it, because those are the things that I reach for the most, and I don't wanna zip them away. But the stuff that I don't reach for the most, I'm putting them in the zipper container to kind of keep it all consolidated, you know? I'm losing light fast. Another thing I got on Amazon, my little car phone holder. So this actually goes in my vent, and it just is, it's really cheap. Honestly, I probably could use a much better quality one, but this is the one that I currently have, and it does the job. I am gonna get a better one though. So anyways, ran out of light last night. It happens. But I just wanted to wrap this up. I went ahead and got my car completely vacuumed out and just squeaky clean. It feels so good. I love getting in a fresh, clean car. It's kind of like a clean bed, you know, with clean sheets. Like, there's just no better feeling than getting in your fresh sheets at the end of the day. It's nothing better than opening your car door. It smells great. It looks clean. I love it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that maybe you found something new that you didn't know about, which, you know, that's how I find things, is by watching other people's videos. Let me know what video you guys want to see from me next here on YouTube. I'll do a little snippet of this on TikTok, so make sure you're following me there too. So it's just my name, Angela Lanter, on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love y'all so much. Au revoir.